first touch. I think we thought we'd just let the sound breathe a little bit there, because it was so loud you probably wouldn't have heard what we said anyway. We're right under a flight path here at Georgetown University, and apologies, I think you may have seen something there that you perhaps didn't want to see at this time of day from Mr. Paddy Creran, so we'll apologise for that straight away.
So those are the manager's thoughts from last night. We're actually in his seat right now watching training, and also Paddy, I think you have an apology to make for offending the nation and indeed the world.
I'm sorry about the world.
Quite possibly.
Well, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about it. I don't have to go on.
Yeah, it was an unfortunate signal, but there you go.
Yeah.
You'd never do anything like that, Maisie, would you? You'd never offend anybody like that, would you?
No. No, not on camera.